Hey everyone! Welcome to part 2 of the DAAD Scholarship Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to apply step by step, which documents you need, and how to increase your chances of getting selected. If you haven't watched the part 1, then this video will not be much help to you. First watch that. Link is in description. First, go to the DAAD website. Click on Scholarship Database and select your country, a degree type Master's or PhD, a field of study. Then click on each program to check its eligibility, a deadline, a language requirements. Now let's note down what documents you will need. Here's the general list. 1. DAAD application form, online via the portal. 2. Motivation letter, 1 to 2 pages. 3. CV. 4. Academic transcripts and certificates. 5. Proof of language proficiency, IELTS, TOEFL, or German tests. 6. Letter of recommendation. 7. Work experience letter, if required. 8. Research proposal, for PhD. Remember, every document must be in PDF format. Now, here's how you apply. 1. Go to DAAD portal and create an account. 2. Fill out the online application form. 3. Upload your documents in the correct format. 4. Submit before the deadline. And that's it. Your submission is done. To stand out from thousands of applicants. Show how your goals align with Germany's development needs. Highlight practical work experience. Mention why you chose Germany and that specific program. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you feel confident about applying to DAAD. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll reply personally. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scholarship videos. Best of luck with your Germany dream.